The keto diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that offers numerous health benefits. It's the new way of eating where you can lose weight without depriving yourself with nutritiously good foods by cutting carbohydrates and replacing them with fat. According to Vishanti Malik, a research scientist with the Department of Nutrition at Harvard's T.H. Chan School of Public Health, fat helps give your body energy, protects your organs, supports cell growth, keeps cholesterol and high blood pressure under control, and helps your body absorb vital nutrients. In this review, we'll share with you how to start the keto diet. You don't need to starve yourself to be fit and healthy. If you start eating low-carb foods, your body will be better in no time. Our bodies convert carbohydrates to glucose, and if we eliminate it from our diet, the body will use stored fats as a source of energy. This is where losing weight begins. Our team did comprehensive and thorough research to bring you the best and most effective ketogenic diet guides, recipes, and meal plans. Just stay tuned as we present the keto diets on our list. If you're ready, let's begin. At number 1 is the 28-day Keto Diet Challenge. Finding an effective and sustainable meal plan to help your body start and get through the process of ketosis can be overwhelming, especially if you're a beginner and don't have a proper guide to follow. Unlike other diets, the ketogenic or low-carbohydrate diet delivers a fast and satisfying result, but only if you know the right way to eating. The question is, do you have a meal plan? The 28-day Keto Diet Challenge is a well-crafted plan that will help you succeed in the first crucial month of switching to keto. It contains a full 28 days of meal plans specially designed to encourage and make you more knowledgeable about the do's and don'ts in keto. In a nutshell, it's the complete walkthrough that provides you with all the necessary information you need. When you sign up for the 28-day Keto Diet Challenge, you get access to 7 guides that will inspire and enlighten you as you pursue the keto diet. These 7 guides are the keto diet, the basics, eating on keto, ketosis, tips for staying on ketosis, macros, a micro look at macronutrients, keto flu, beating it in a healthy way, intermittent fasting, tips for success, and the keto diet and friends, dealing with social pressure. After you successfully finish the 28-day challenge, you'll see better results that you've never thought you could achieve. Aside from having a slim body and shedding that excess weight, your sleep and energy levels will also be improved. In less than a month, you'll also see improvements in your skin and hair. To help you succeed on the 28-day challenge, after you sign up, you'll get 3 bonus gifts that will help make your keto journey more fun and exciting. These bonus books and guides are namely the Keto Desserts, Avocado Recipes, the Keto Supplements Guide, and what's even cooler is you have 60 days to get a full refund in case you're not satisfied with your subscription. In just 7 days, be ready to shed 5 to 10 pounds and see the better you. Taking our number 2 spot is the Ketosis Cookbook, Melt the Fat Away. Some of the misconceptions in losing weight is that people should eat less and reduce fat consumption. It might work for some, but if you're one of the many people who doesn't want to starve yourself just to shed weight, the Keto Diet Meal Plan is your answer. In this cookbook, you'll get over 370 delicious and easy-to-prepare keto recipes and a 12-week meal plan that's approved by certified nutritionists with a ketogenic background. If that doesn't excite you, let us give you a quick preview of what's inside this cookbook and why most keto practitioners love it. There are samples of mouth-watering recipes that you can get, like cheeseburger fajitas, ham and cheese stromboli, strawberry spinach salad, chocolate walnut brownies, peach melba parfait, and buffalo chicken stuffed mushrooms. Just when you think this cookbook might have it all, wait till we show you the 4 free bonus gifts that you'll get all the way through doing your keto diet, such as the ultimate guide to the ketogenic diet, 12-wheel meal plan, keto slow-cooked meals, and keto desserts. When you purchase this cookbook, you also get 30 days of a full money-back guarantee. See the results or pay nothing. That's just how amazing this product is. More than losing weight, the Ketosis Cookbook will help you increase your energy, mental clarity, balance your cholesterol levels, and reduce food cravings. All of this in the value of one book. 2 down and 3 more meal plans on our list, so stay tuned because we might have exactly what you need. Let us know if there's another cookbook or guide you want us to review by writing your comments below. Don't forget to tap the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload your newest request. Now let's get back to our list. At number 3 is the Essential Keto Cookbook, instant access digital version, plus 5 bonuses. Picture yourself eating delectably delicious foods until you feel full without getting fat. Well, it's all possible with the beauty and benefits of this cookbook. The Essential Keto Cookbook is a 200-page cookbook that contains mouth-watering and easy-to-prepare recipes. All of the recipes are 100% keto to help you stay on track. You can rest assured that with this product, what you eat will be free of wheat or other grains, dairy products, sugars, beans, preservatives, and of course, high-carb foods. Most people think that in doing the keto diet, one should not consume bread, pasta, or rice, as they're obviously high in carbohydrates. Well, with this product, you can enjoy your old favorite dishes without feeling guilty. It provides recipes you never thought existed until you prepare and taste on your own. What's more is you no longer need to worry about the calorie or carb intake, as each recipe has nutritional data, so you can have peace of mind as you devour your certified keto meal. Aside from the cookbook, buyers also get 5 free bonus gifts that are handy for beginners, as well as to other ketonians who want to gain more knowledge about the keto diet. These bonus guides are the Keto Diet Guide to Getting Started, Losing Fat and Boosting Energy, the Keto Guide to Eating Out Like a Pro, the Quick Start Guide to the Keto Diet, the Complete Keto Food List, and 2-week Keto Meal Plan. All of these 5 bonus gifts will make your diet easier and exciting. It's important to educate yourself before starting any diet. After a week, there are some who begin to think that the keto diet is not for them simply because they're not aware of what to follow and what to avoid while eating low carbs. Each bonus guide is meticulously designed to help you go through it without failing. If you're equipped with the right guides and recipes like the Essential Keto Cookbook Instant Access Digital version, plus 5 bonuses, you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Taking spot number 4 is the Keto Diet, the complete guide to a high-fat diet. Most of the people who are onto a strict keto diet get questions like, how did they lose weight in such a short period of time? How did they manage to eat plenty without getting fats? And what's their secret? The truth is, there is no secret or shortcut to success in the ketogenic diet. What you need is self-discipline, determination, and of course, a meal plan. The Keto Diet is a program that will help you shed weight, heal your body, and regain confidence all at once. It includes step-by-step guides on how to prepare a keto-friendly meal, lists of foods to eat and not to eat, what to buy at the grocery store, and more. It also comes with over 125 easy-to-cook ketogenic recipes you can follow. With simple ingredients and basic cooking knowledge, you can devour a delicious home-cooked meal. Aside from giving you a complete guide and paleo-friendly recipes, there's also more than 6 months of meal plans for different levels of ketogenic eating. These meal plans will encourage you to stay on track by helping you adapt to the ketogenic way of eating. You'll never run out of ideas with this program. If you follow the program, you can turn your body into a fat-burning machine. Maybe you're wondering how that can happen. For people with high carbs, their main source of energy is glucose, contrary to the people who eat low carbohydrates. In keto, it's a must to avoid consuming foods that are high in carbohydrates, because by doing so, our body will use the stored fats instead of glucose, which results in weight loss. The complete guide to a high-fat diet is truly a big help to anyone who's on a ketogenic diet. It's available at bookstores and U.S. Costco's, as well as online outlets such as Amazon, Audible, Target, and more. Our 5th and final product is the Beginner's Ketogenic Cookbook. In the keto diet, one of the essential things to do is be consistent. Having a low carbohydrate diet helps your body stay on the ketosis, plus you can lose weight fast and effortlessly. However, if you keep on cooking the same food all the time, chances are you're not going to be satisfied with your diet. This cookbook provides more than 60 simple and easy to prepare recipes, each with a rating based on how easy or difficult they are to prepare, so it doesn't matter whether you're a pro or a beginner. You'll never run out of food to cook with this product. It's complete with recipes for breakfast to dinner, plus snacks, desserts, and ketogenic smoothies. Fight your cravings with keto-approved foods that you can prepare in less than 30 minutes by following the recipe of your choice. If you want a sneak peek to what's inside this cookbook, it can provide you recipes on how to cook a keto meat pie, cashew chicken, dinner rolls, and a mouth-watering New York baked cheesecake. What's more is it includes nutritional information to help you skip counting how many carbs, proteins, fats, and calories you consume because it's already counted for you. All of the ingredients in this cookbook are certified ketogenic and can easily be found in a common grocery store across the US and Australia. The Beginner's Ketogenic Cookbook is also backed up with a 100% money-back guarantee in the unlikely event you don't like the foods or cooking instructions. You'll get a full, no questions asked refund. And there you go, some of the most effective and top-rated keto diet meal plans on the market today. In doing a keto diet, take note of the word consistency. If you stick to your plan, you can be assured that the results will be exactly what you desire. Losing weight isn't always the primary reason to start this diet. It can also be for your health and overall wellness. Shedding those extra pounds is an added bonus when you discover what your body can do. So to activate the fat-burning machine in your body, check the links in the description below to know more. We also value your comments and suggestions about our videos, so don't forget to write those as well. Before we end our review, click the like and subscribe button for our channel to get more product reviews like this and become part of our growing community. That's it for today. Thank you all for watching the ReviewTube channel.